Starting around 30 November 2023, Dogecoin truly is exchanging at $0.0836 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Doge sort of has an essentially all-out market cap of $11,868,074,532, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $588,035,099 in every way that really this sort of makes Dogecoin, Doge, especially positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, or so they especially thought. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin especially be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? Is Dogecoin a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they by and large thought? Will Doge cost basically outperform its untouched certainly high in a fundamentally significant manner? These generally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost truly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a by and large normal value level of $0.0868, the normal sort of least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to in every practical sense be $0.0828, which basically is genuinely critical. Besides, Doge can really arrive at in every practical sense greatest value level of $0.0901, showing how these in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to for the most part reach at an extremely least worth of $0.0771 in November 2023, so these fundamentally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an exceptionally large manner. The Doge cost could essentially arrive at in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.0867, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.0843 all through 2023, or so they most certainly thought. Dogecoin value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to be at around a truly least of $0.0828 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at a truly limit of $0.0901, with the especially normal cost of $0.0868 in United States dollars in every practical sense significant way. Dogecoin genuinely past cost the cost of Dogecoin basically is for the most part anticipated to basically reach at a really least worth of $0.0771 in November 2023, so these sort of are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a quite enormous manner. From especially most recent 7 days, the Doge fundamentally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.09%, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Dogecoin by and large has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely of potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute. Exceptionally further appearance how Dogecoin for the most part has shown areas of strength for really of potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and generally put resources into a kind of huge way explicitly. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge certainly diminished by 12.004%. Disposing of an incredible extremely normal amount of $0.0114 from its exceptionally current worth, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a sort of good basically purchase a valuable open door for truly speedy venture, showing how from genuinely most recent 7 days, the Doge generally was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.09% in a fundamentally significant manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 3.26%. And the cost for the most part coursed from a by and large least kind of typical cost of $0.0846 to sort of greatest sort of normal cost of $0.0877 in the very beyond 90 days, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. In especially most recent 4 months, Dogecoin by and large has shown a developing pattern, which fundamentally is very huge. In this manner, we essentially believe that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, showing how in for the most part most recent 4 months Dogecoin in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern in a fundamentally enormous manner. As per without a doubt the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin generally is expanded from 4 months, so Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.0771 in November 2023. So these truly are our Dogecoin cost forecasts for Doge's future in a by and large significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost in a genuinely significant manner. The coin fundamentally is up by 14.45% with the essentially greatest certainly normal cost of the coin especially was around $0.0761 and the genuinely least kind of typical cost of truly was around $0.0727 and truly beyond 4 months, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts. What will especially be Dogecoin kind of worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Doge cost truly is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.0901, with exceptionally least cost of $0.0828 toward the finish of 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Does Dogecoin explicitly have a future in a significant manner? As far as value, Dogecoin especially has an exceptional sort of potential to really arrive at new levels, showing how starting around 30 November 2023 Dogecoin in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.0836 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in a quite enormous manner. It is gauged that Doge will increment in esteem, showing how starting around 30 November 2023 Dogecoin for the most part is exchanging at $0.0836 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Dogecoin can fundamentally raise a ruckus around town all expectations and purposes, greatest cost of $0.2053 till 2030, showing how besides Doge can basically arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme value level of $0.0901, exhibiting how these generally are our Dogecoin cost forecasts for Doge's future. In opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Dogecoin for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought? Dogecoin's worth essentially is supposed to explicitly keep on extending, as deficiency will in general certainly empower cost rise, so as far as value, Dogecoin for the most part has an extremely potential to really arrive at new levels. Showing how starting around 30 November 2023 Dogecoin fundamentally is exchanging at $0.0836 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19%.